Aglo akwaje Independence Square. Ebon pa se nyame ma wo edi koko ani munyansa. Nyame o marande ya benyansa bia edi ye koko. Tie. Nyame o marande ya benyansa bia edi ye koko. Efise koko wendia emfifiri. It's the Bible says for the lack of knowledge my people perish. And Bible be anywhere my tomatoes. Free I quota so. Mo pass say I'm fair glow formula. Na studio ha. The trebi any ha every day. Yade seminar paper studio ha. Na a glow from major ha mompaye 3 years tomatoes be en free ha. He ebi before ye Jimmy na naso me ba adwuma. Esan say ye Jimmy nti ade ye de suban yo no ye de mpaibo na ye. And ade ye de mpaibo ye no ye de suban na ye. Eti James McKeown back Ghana mafia me Church of Pentecost Sofpenia Odikan may his perfect soul rest in perfect peace. Mafia obaye no beto apostolic so no na oyare wanya malaria. James McKeown Bruni all the way from Glasgow, Manchester somewhere oba Ghana. Padi yenya etridi oko hospital a na your friend Chiribentoa. You see your man in call hospital. And then a county and the man Church of Pentecost if you're apostolic. It's one of the reasons. Also me call hospital because you are really one paibonsa. Let me sit here and tell you. And you are really nan and paibosa. Uti ya uya bebreya. Uti ni so na ko. Because ensuo ya paibo. Nyame na boy. Aglo beba studio have a bomb pie. I am telling you. Everything. Yeah, mommy gifty. After you does it. Oh, yeah, NPPD. Hey, hello.
Be aglow.
Minimum. Jay Akufo Addo. So I'm GJ president.
Be aglow for Jesus.
Okay. Gifty after you does the NPP ni mapa. On to about NDC da. Me mami, I respect you as a person. Te, obuoni ani die bi e de ma oba pani me wo. Because when him say ye kwa no ma bu ni kunu hotel na ye kodai. Okay. Ma, eba no buo ene ni dia me de be ma say me mame a me de be ma but politically we NPPD
mo afade anya fita fa obubuzela enu white handkerchief bra nye radiaye be aglow for Jesus.
Me say gift ya fe does it or NPPD ma ponto aba ma NDC da 2024 kwatu aba ma Bawumia we former Asante region CPP chairman na ye president Emma Aglo
pilot said unto them
at the time I make general secretary regional secretary of the Convention People's Party so when mama contest CPP elections da the nipa na me no contest no mafia me hwa me te Fox FM me ye adwuma bo so etuameka minua no na ye ntuaneka party so de o party officer national chairman ba kakra we ba ho kire wo kakra and I'm say there be my withdraw men ko election ni bi wo me pesa won so didi na me so etuameka na me so didi even that obiti me 12 votes. Wait. May withdraw from the election 1 week. And no krano obitini just 12 votes. Regional chairman, former regional chairman of the Convention People's Party, Neye Aglo president. What now be NPP for?
Be aglow for Jesus.
And NPP keko wo me UP for. Okay. 80 Koko unity pair. And I give to you as a friend, some moment come on pie. Emma Coco, Mammy, Empire be near Sassiswa because Umpire Munyadun Pentecost chairman. Umpire Munyadun chain, a year Assemblies of God chairman. Umpire Munyadun chain apostolic chairman. Why now cohesive region could galamsey site cobom pie, and what you cry the galamsey costro if you say Mpire bo, a day this subai. Ayon, young vampire bonye.
Mwafadia nyefita. For Bubuzela and white handkerchief bread.
Oh, sir, Debia NDC what power pair now grow for sorry.
Be a glow.
Mafia, a glow. A NPP wing. To say we NDC ni ba men siasie da.
Be a glow for Jesus.
So we NPP ni men kwa glow meeting be a da. These guys, what we NPP for? If you want to now grow away,
be a
from
glow
2017 to 2024, not a glow away, but then you want to me buy. We ain't come on getting you. Men call main issue so. I feel you. See a small kind.
Let's continue with the prayer.
One ya no one solid.
Oh my goodness. Who are near over was a BBC?
Oh, yeah, him abana no, I can no go a paye.
Now let's bring our cocoa sector before God.
Waka cocoa, Jame home ban no cho here.
That every reform initiated
I can no pay no he na keba.
will be assessed by God.
No cho den cheba mommy.
Sir, Odibeka Wana obey BF.
I can go back for hello about Jim.
That as the repository of wisdom,
Na onakasa emma wonyansa.
he will guide the managers of the industry
Na wa cocoa industry no onakasa ba hihye wo no atire wo.
to implement that which will move the industry forward.
Na nia ebema adwumadie na ko so wo ho no eno na omonye.
Monsa Mompai.
Trade no so.
The enemy cannot win in this whatever reform is needed. In the name of Jesus.
In Jesus.
Stakeholder engagement to go see. Sir, discussions will produce amicable solutions.
Then ameni choni feke man chulo fe Kwabena Agyapong no choba no fe no aya pepe.
Monsa Mompai.
Mafia, Jesus Christ does not live in salvation. Yesu onte enkwajim. He is salvation. Listen to me. God does not live in wisdom. He is wisdom. Yesu onte enkwajim. Anyesa enkwaje ye kuro. Ena Yesu tim finfin. Dabi Yesu nankasa no oye enkwaje. Eti ya say mamenka die mehunu ene die matinchre wo anopei edwada mekrada Jesus one yenkwa. Jesus is salvation. Jesus yenkwa omankwa nimu eti Yesu ontinkwajem enkwajem mom na ti Yesu GH bi mo e wo ba boy Jesus yenkwa. Jesus yenkwa. Jesus, Christ is salvation, his life. It is a Christo Nibia that I say, and Quadia, and yes, it's in Quadia, yes, one thing Quadia. Christ does not live in salvation, he is salvation. It's in Quadia Wunimu. To Jesus, Yankwa or Mankwa, Nimuno, it's in Quadia Tayesu. I glow for NPP for. After you does the shots, I'll say, who are near Kabehu, Madame Coco, any spiritual connotation be a wheat. Well, laptop say, I say, soon be everywhere, say laptop. Soon be a near Sassiswa or say laptop. I'm ready, my friend. I'm not going to be Krum. I'm not going to be Abra, happy birthday. I'm going to be 105. I'll go more touch mine. But Dimirka, I'm sure ne mean to me Kostra men and no. Tenra. Pa, I'm going to touch mine. I'm Kostra Kweku. I'm going to say Kweku. Happy birthday. The Basem Besrao. Kostra menana. We di 105 and ne. Menana. We di 105. I'm ready to catch him. Say, men are now wafa. Your friend Kwame Dum. Na Kwame Dum were dear draw sounds, none near Swifra. Obia the near flow to me come to bottom. Kwame Dum. When I'll go much about bonches, who may catch no. Hunipo. Kwame Dum jogging. Your cat will be quite jogging. Kwame Dum will be at the near from Kutaba. Edu area on Kutaba, Edu anadua no Kutaba, so be at the near fra. Kwame Dum ko Debisu, Aqua Neka. Muntiam ye, the near fra. Total blindness. Papa the figo mo touch me. One talk got him. If you are there, we are kete. No a Muslim. Or Kobo Koya the salary no 2. Then I or Ko Debisu, Koda Neka. Obi a near from Kutaba or some of the American called the bisu. Bakoda make a major miscam aba. Mantamrim. No one I'll win. Eya me to be carried mechi. Your kind say, or no one near Frano, or the American called the bisu, or Koda Neka, Waba. Now, what was so well, Nino? I owe 2 America, Emra Diachia. I had to be the Kennedy Agyapong. Now, I bet you was when you change.
He is smart. He is unique.
That's it. Time and an influence of a car. No mate in the car and incessant on farmano. No, many hope. Yes, no, we did 35. That time near war, Agi. They have a woman. Maybe a story, no. Tis one more Kobo, Tashola, Kokubicham, Uncle Boy. Uncle Kwabena Agyapong, Obatime, Womo Bois.
He is unique.
Nipa 7, so Womo Bois.
Captain Smart.
I'm saying, of fun in Timana or Bobon Timanugu, not Nantaman, so you're car and 2. Mammy, you had a catch us and Yano Creda. A card and neighbor too. Maybe an mate in the chalk at twice.
Captain Smart.
There's no juju that can stop science.
He is smart. He is unique. He is smart.
Saka Kroma by 4 trapling in Kwabro Chenka Metina to form. And sit that. I glow for your NPP for. NDC ba power pen no master that bob one man no master that is psychological move. Mefia adia power sasisu psychological confusion of identity.
Be a glow.
So we have security. There's something we call PCI. Psychological confusion of identity. When you are psychologically confused of who you are, you can never protect yourself. You can never protect yourself. Eti, wo share said the aglo for you now. NDC ba power pen o start bobo man no.
Gwen.
Because mpanifo bu baby ato say wo buru nsuo ntama na wani ye kokko. Mo afade. Mo say 2028 they won't win election but mo boa man no for 2032.
Mo afade anya fita. For abobu say
na NDC for so di Jimmy. Eti ho Jimmy.
Ojaye.
Ukoka bibia dollar ko form.
Gwen.
Na do the free SHS buy from 2017 free SHS. 19 free SHS, 20 free SHS, 2021 free SHS, 22 free SHS, 23 free SHS, 23 the free SHS kuku na nado any Bawumia ma omo so whom 44 42 kura 39.9 kura. And NDC for so to say I go carry dollar ko form but your dollar no ko form no enrama me ko gumo attachment me hu dollar ko form gumo attachment
Maya na manye.
me hu dollar ko form gumo attachment
Someone here na.
eti dollar no ko form e enkran so nya Ghana
Gwen.
eti NDC from bed for mama dream na ho na glow for asase a glow de o asase no we wie enkran o de be ko Kumase
Ojaye. Ojaye.
a glow be ko Kumase aglo ewie Kumase pe be fe oni baby omko ko for odo ewu chiame ko for dia Jackson's Park or so Jubilee Park
Jackson, yeah.
Mo afade anya fita. For abobu zela enu white handkerchief bra. Nie radia.
I'm from Aremeyaw Anas. What was saying? Yata to mama me hwehwe.
Mo afade anya fita. Mo afade
when we enkran obeko Kumase e ho na okoka koku ase because Kumase adan e wo ho fa e koku sika na si owie pe na obese kokofo dua
mu affordable.
I so koku farmers so adetra grow onko voter region
Ni Ghana di ni ye pa. Enam center.
adetra grow onko voter region
Ojaye.
sanka grow nye NPP machinery a ese so kogo mu atakwa cause ho so ma ho
Ojaye.
ese kogo mu ahiem e ma ho
Ojaye. Ojaye. Ojaye.
Finally, mamenye we intem na febin soronko. Eti, so who gift here for you that's a pet or your pseudo NPP women organizer?
Mid-year Thanksgiving service for Ghana. Afim pe mu affordable.
Saba mi we kwa ma hwehwe nsa o ye hwan.
Mo afade anya fita. For abobu zela enu white handkerchief.
Debi afade ni nya fita. With the blue goose so pet no wash a red shoe.
Mo afade anya fita. For abobu zela
Semiye, ufa fita ne pet. Wo de kuta blue hanky. Na shampabo akoko when NPP. Na ya che vuvuzela sina honi na ye blue and red.
Mo afade anya fita. For abobu zela enu white
Vuvuzela sina ho me tie no kwa say ya na koda nchan baby o. Come to say.
Gwen.
Thank you. Na vuvuzela no blue ne red. Make na ebi omko kuma so meche green.
Mo afade anya fita.
Mo bro bi amfa ne nyansa ne na dwen dada ye wukrum ha ye nyini atra ho. I'm telling you. Mafia NDC the kokwasa na fight corruption.
It's a shame.
Eti obi a only godfather e wo NPP bu no and ye prosecute no to say Kwabena Agyapong. Only godfather. Come to think of it. Pacho, President Mahama na kase mie na no ankase so oba power oba prosecute na nabi. Producer play that video no mami. President John Dramani Mahama, candidate of the NDC. E kachre Ghana for nyina say when you be antuma ono Mahama nko ade he single-handedly mentioned the name of Nanabi. Nanabi way. Say you tunu for sama nkasa. Yes man Nanabi on kasa mwa. Nanabi men kasa. Na wan yesa ubiebie wano kasa kasa. Wan ha but politics corruption, organized crime.
Adan.
Say it with the casa brabra no me and chidia. And you never start up okrono.
Adan. Minya Ghana ni.
No, you see. Enuntina. Eniema e koso no, e de koso no.
Adan.
Bafia, ye da sore ya say. Wuntimi a aban aye brase. Yen kokwaye mu koye galamsey. Abrantie no aye galamsey.
Adan.
A criminal offense.
Adan.
Aban we action.
Adan.
Attorney General we ought to miss obi no betumi to from imagine dida.
Adan. Minya Ghana ni.
Attorney General open negotiation.
Ghana for mu yo.
Yeah, that's sorry ya.
Adan.
Attorney General na oye press conference e wo chairman wuntumi ho. Ghana for mu ntie bi o.
Ghana for
Attorney General oye press conference e wo chairman wuntumi ho. Ebo chairman wuntumi di niema waye.
Adan.
Se koko board kura amani sika. Ya man contractor went me and yensu sika ne ko. Yeah, that's sorry ya. Dominica Yeni SC Oni asembia tia. And the ordinary court ko here.
I'm the phone you know sorry yo.
Ghana for money hu you.
Ghana for mu
sorry yo. And ono Dominica Yeni nanka so ya Attorney General na be ka che Ghana for ina so de won to me court. Emma Roger obehye me nkom wa ha.
I don't know.
Ebehye won to be nkom. So obeko 15 years. Anamwa.
Ojai.
Na Roger ti baby am afiate yi. O fi ohun 15. Say at Dominica Yedi nanka so ya Attorney General ne say.
Emra.
Oni asem bia tie won to me.
Le.
Adan. Minya Ghana ni bio. Because they say the one we never have president.
NDC for
Ghana
when say answer ya di Jimmy betu mu afia konwa ne so. Eni number 1. Number 2.
Ghana.
Ojai.
Can I go deeper? It is a say no. There's no case against one to me.
Ojai.
Adan.
It's the Attorney General says yes, I want to be filing defamation against you. How would you answer?
I am Munti and Mahama MC.
Ojai.
Yay. Pacho. Okay.
Ojai.
Nana be case na ko say.
When
Press here. Sir Mauto.
I don't know.
Say my opposition ho. Sir aban te say NDC aba power yi. Na ye maw position a. Ade asese wudi kan yes say ye maw sa position say. Wo ko hwehwe assembly a president no. Tab no ye candidate no. Waka afa baby a ye de ahye won sa no. Na wa ye ho adwuma.
Ojai.
It is what is a president I can't be about a Greek car. No, you're Greek minister. Quickly. MPA quickly. EPA quickly. No, I call her. No, I hear John Dramani Mahama can say, Nana be dear. One be prosecuted, and I'm one. When they inform me, John Mahama, about Bibia, na sa nipa na dwen ye ne say na be ye part.
Ojai.
Ana Joma man anka sa document be no kan ye.
I don't know.
Ohun say. Eye na be. At the Fafra Bibim. A whole opposition leader, a former president, and the current president. Ebien na no kan say na be the producer of video no.
Ghana for. Watch no. Watch it, Brian.
Are they freezing? Hey, no one knows say so.
It's a crime, it's a criminal offense. But criminal offense in new expiry date. NDC NAPO
Sir NDC Nana B Any crofo yes sad dear no. You bet your matum. Say watch this carefully. Nana B or Godfather when people.
Watch no.
And I will explain to you. You understand?
Watch it by ye.
Time na dey DJ Akufo Addo Nana B or SHS 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nana B me yini channel. May be 46. Nana B ondi 44.
By ye.
Right? Nana B didn't want to tree Chairman FF Anto, Chairman Amankwa, two most powerful NPP Ashanti regional chairman. Nana B, Chairman na Owusu di Dr. Kwame Addo Addo. Nana B fi school bar not the one between Owusu not the one to Addo. Nana B, at the one to tree Honorable Isaac Osei. Nana B Shasia didn't want to tree SK Buafo. The first Ashanti regional minister under J. Akufo, who became the chieftaincy minister. Oriye no Ansana Honorable Isaac Owusu Ansa ha obedi SK Buafo ade no obewuo no na okuta Nana B mu no retreat J. Akufo. Oh, me pato she danado pa. Eti Nana B or Godfather. Or politics him. If he's your me TV should that. What's it? If he's your me fathers. Or politics him Mukruma. Mashisha what? Na ade bakwa ehunu se Abraham obi o Godfather bia no obi bone a okofri. Eti former Deputy Ashanti Regional Minister and KMA boss, Honorable Osesibe, only Godfather when people, me na catch one neck. Because Osesibe was a confused guy. Tama no a journalist, no trauma, is it Kumasi Mail or Pania? No trauma, one of these newspapers. Oh, Kumasi. Honorable Osesibe, now who saw a Akufo boy, or Akufo Addo boy. It's Osesibe no be an baby ujina. Politics is so there, as I say, you and him. No, be a who baby I will belong to. And your political party, no, Nipa what party anymore. You belong to him. Eti, Osesibe, Oshaha, as a Kufo, Oshaha, as a Nanado. And then, what kind of man be a deputy minister? I think it's Nanado. Oh, I don't know. Abaya deputy minister, Ashanti regional minister, NPP, no kwa KMA boss, and Nanado. Eti, ase, oye Kufo, ase, oye Nanado. But he's not any of them. Osesibe, he's not any of them. Oye NJJ, or to say, me Godfather. Esroeja. Maybe who could force as my father? Different. Eti Osesibe only Godfather nti NDC fuachino. Okwada sell how many days? I know you be man bill. Watchino. Okay. Said the name, send a honor. So America. See a tab number. Watch it by ye. Said the name, see a channel. Watch this. Watchino. Yachi honorable. Osesibe yachi said the name Nana B graduate nam Ghana haya onam Razak national security anim onam Yoko ayi akware fa say wachino Raymond Atta onam Raymond Atta anim onam IGP anim but obi antimchi Nana B adenta Nana B our godfathers what do sako kan pepepa ye won krofo abefa o phone wachino wache braye ayeko. Because I'm maybe na Akufo Addo di mani wo krom ha no. Ye chi me ba ko bi di me call one ante ama loss so wa bre o. Se me tokosu ama ante ama loss betena ayi daddy no me say ante bi oni me senu ama ko kuma se won ko akoma. Ante ama loss ba ya no betena na bi.
Emra emrofo ye
be 11. Ante ama tena ho saa ma ne bo anadwo 8 ay man bail.
Gwen
we say man bill ye de mi kotum wo ho na we afa phone we pie say na papa pani bi o tesoro ho ba bi afa wo say ti de mo de ye akwada yi tie ye
Uka bibi se si aso ye bechi wa.
Ye oka no. Ye mo ya kwa dai. Intie ye.
Ojai.
Obi fa phone. No be aso so dem mekwa kwato sell.
Gwen.
Na be your godfather Joma ma nche no.
Uka bibi se si aso ye bechi wa.
The president so otumi on nche na be me ehwe.
E ma peni no. Ma peni man kasa ho.
On one can so di 1 year. Ana Joma ma ni 1 year. O say na be ni won wa producer bobium.
Ma peni man kasa ho.
NPP for me. Now, I'm a person, I'm a Ghana for say, a bit too Saturday, a bit too Saturday. Saturday, that's how for the year. No, it's a crime, it's a criminal offense. Now, when you say I'm a party, also, it's but criminal offense, a new expiry date. NDC bar, NAPO, Miss Ato Forson, yes, I know. They make sure much.
President John Dramani Mahama Wakeri. Last 2 weeks I said it here. Sir, we are minister, head of department or head of an agency. Yes, well, president in Uyepe, go to the chief of staff. He's the first person you must go to. Sempacho, my ministry, my department, my agency. A day and the president can say obey. Oh, then you begin to work. How many NDC appointees? Now, Kojo Julius Debra say, my ministry then John Mama Kai Bakumpo. And say reshuffle na ebano eye me deno. It's a kasaka by now attorney general initiative process. If not for anything, I say to be china be 3 days near Jano. To make sure, say, a semna papanica, no. You say political campaign. Assembly over can be a promise and 1 year to be the 2 abatia. Mafia, Professor Christopher Ameyaw Anas. I am telling you, some year dofu. Papa no the minister da, but only Godfather when people. Ameyaw Anas. Why MP damba? Sunyane ho baby. Ameyaw Anas MP ni pa. Maybe sa question. One catch leo. Don't say I'm going to go bibia. Professor Christopher Ameyaw Anas. Or MP pa. Maybe sa question. One catch leo. Nesse ne papa. Or you're serious and compromised. Professor Christopher Ameyaw Anas. Ne papa. Or you're serious die-hard Kwame Nkrumah supporter. Ne papa. Or a die-hard JJ Rawlings let the blood flow supporter. Men can be biabium. Whether he died before the coup or he died after the coup, men are make catch now. Professor Christopher Ameyaw Anas, only Godfather, NPP. It's a chin tomb, 3 weeks. Now, Professor Christopher Ameyaw Anas, or that cell. Hey, Professor Christopher Ameyaw Anas, Ghana for Muteni, former MP, former Minister of Railways and Harbours, former Director General, Ghana Education Service. Now, the time, position by the man. No. Something. 4 solid positions. Ya chenatum. NPP ni bi ntbi anko wan command bill. Woni mbentia. Only Godfather. Man what is Ameyaw Anas yini? Mafia. Osafumafo oda wo Godfather e won NPP. Hakman Ogusu Ajman oda wo Godfather obebo dimbi you can never arrest him. Obebo dimbi you run away from him. Because Sadino say obo na course na start to say a floor IGP will be silent. The current CDS will be silent. Razak or a small boy. Remora chakwada oyenchena wayirem. You can never come close. Untimi nko. It's a Bible see dimpa. Who here? Chawhe, ni pe bi hold you achi a won ko jail da. Mr. Menche je Akufo. Any media general penny for Akufo Addo dem kotum. Cause I thought I'm in Akufo. Me wo mo chi na man Akufo da wo. Yes, NPP na mu no. Ye won Akufo wo. Just a phone call away. Now one day, I am Musa, former National Security Minister, Kandapa. One day, you're checking on my friend, I'm saying, Can, it's what to walk. And I sense I was saying, I'm matching me painting, and I would walk, Kandapa. What to walk? And I will share the meaning. And Sam Akufo Addo, say, Anna Mecano, Sam Akufo Addo, no. Or did you all ye no, all ye tell me, woo, Kandapa, and to what to walk? Okay. 2 minutes. That's a captain, you can go. Wait.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.